Before, I promised that I'd draw Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta, and here we get started. Now then, getting started, we start by drawing the upper half. We start by drawing his eyes. Draw them the same way every other Saiyan did. Much like Super Saiyan God, there's these markings under his eyes. Now you just draw this Zudo-like crest above his head. Now you just draw this part here. Here's the ear. Super Saiyan 4 has been through a long time. Well, back then, and nobody got to watch much of Dragon Ball. For the reason is that, well, back then to me, Dragon Ball was just, well, boring. Well, now that I've seen it, Dragon Ball Super, I'm starting to take a huge liking to this show. There's a lot of godly experience. I mean, we got to see Gohan in a new state, Piccolo taking his form to new heights. Let's see, what else? Oh yeah, Frieza had a new form. Golden Frieza, was it? Yeah, Golden Frieza, that was the name of it. And let's see, what else? There are new characters like Grand Zeno. There's the Omni King. Now we just draw his hand. Here's his belt. Watching Dragon Ball Super reminded me a lot about the show Chased by Dinosaurs. Remember that series? Man, I love that show. Anyway, after going to the mall, it just reminded me of Dragon Ball Super even more. Ooh, here's an idea. Ultra Instinct Super Saiyan 4. Now that's something I gotta draw. I think I saw a picture of it a while back. Gonna have to find it first. Let me know if Super Saiyan 4 Ultra Instinct is a good idea. I mean, I've already drawn Primal Ultra Instinct. And Angel Goku. Anyway, here's his tail. There was a machine that allowed Vegeta to become a Super Saiyan 4. Well, before he became a Ozaru. After returning back to his senses, he changed into Super Saiyan 4 and joined forces with Goku. Hey, remember that time I drew Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta? That was a blast. Well, Vegito is way better. I saw the Zamasu arc. Anyway, here are his fingers. And there. That is how you draw a Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. I've been plotting to draw this fighter for a long time, but didn't know where to start. But now I've gotten the chance to draw him. And now here he is in our collection. Be happy to draw him as long as you want. I'm debuting him on 2025. That's this year, right? Yeah, it is. Anyway, stay clear for more Super Saiyan related episodes, and let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Good night, guys.